ticket.
We can do it. Wait for us. No need to hurry. The flight is delayed. We'll start boarding in 10 minutes.
Delayed?
I wish I'd known that before I ran a marathon.
Now we can all use the bathroom before the flight.
Okay.
Where is Spike? Come on, Spike. Go to the bathroom, please.
It's okay, Dad. I don't need to go.
Come on, Sparkle. Let's go to the bathroom.
Last call for boarding. Where are Mum and Sparkle? Oh. Our flight is boarding. Hurry, everyone. Here's our tickets. Have a great trip.
Here's our seats, everyone. Is something wrong, Spike?
Are there toilets on the plane?
Yes, you can use them once the plane is in the air.
Uh-oh.
Everyone, please fasten your seatbelts. We're about to take off.
Come on, Spike. Fasten your seatbelt.
Yay! Ha!
We're experiencing some turbulence. Please return to your seats and fasten your seatbelts.
Finally! Feel better? Like a new man.
Snacks and drinks?
Just snacks for me, please.
I was hoping you'd say that. I have to go to the toilet.
Oh, Daddy.
I have to help them. Must get to the elevator. No!
Huh?
Who are you?
I am Mall Officer 1265, and I have been assigned to this mall due to low performance.
No performance?
Under my rule, this mall will finally be efficient.
This stinks. Maybe I really don't deserve to be an inspector. Something's burning, huh?
I'll take care of this.
Mommy's bakery! It's on fire!
I know just how to handle this. Activate sprinkler system. Oh no.
Mr. Robot Cop! Mr. Robot Cop! Oh no! What are we gonna do?
I'll save you.
Officer Woof!
That smells like a grease fire. No wonder the water hasn't put it out.
Greetings, Cop. I've come to make peace with you. It seems your police skills are adequate after all. Sorry.
Going on vacation with Tutu will be so much fun!
I can't wait! I'm afraid Tutu won't be travelling with us, kids.
But why?
Mommy, please! It's too complicated.
Aha! Maybe Tutu will fit. That was easy. We need another plan.
Now Tutu's a doll. He can be with my other dolls. How's the packing going, kids? Sparkle, you can't bring all your dolls. You can just bring one. I picked this one.
Oh, got it.
All right. Seems like we've got everything.
Okay, ready to go on vacation.
Flying hat?
What's all this?
I just wanted Tutu to come with us on our trip.
It's just a couple of days, Spike. Tutu will be fine. Please open your suitcase, Mr. Dragon. There's something strange going on in here. A ghost! Ah! How did it get inside the bag? You could just register your pet at the front desk, if you wanted to bring him so bad.
Please!
All right. Oh, one more thing. You should never put pets inside luggage, or they won't have enough air to breathe. Maybe it wasn't such a bad idea bringing Tutu with us. Huh? My ice cream!
for these ninja stars, Professor.
No problem, kids. Just be careful.
Wow! What a cool robot!
I made this robot to help me around the lab. Well, let's go to the lab and make those ninja stars less dangerous.
We'll help you, Professor.
Ouch!
Let's do some fun evil stuff.
Huh?
Can I help you?
We're making a withdrawal. You're under arrest. Good guy identity confirmed. Destroy. Oh dear, my robot turned evil.
We have to stop it.
We need to turn the robot back to the goody-goody setting. Don't worry.
We have to do something.
We can't get close. The robot will get us.
Yes! Oh no! I'm out of stars.
You'll never stop me now.
I can't look.
Looks like you all need some help. Hey, stop that! That's mine! Stop being good! Oh, you're a very naughty boy. It's off to jail for you, I'm afraid.
Oh, I'm glad that's over.
I'm glad we could save everybody.
I'm hungry. Spike, Professor Raw, evil robot. Need a hand over here. Stop, thief!
Where did he go?
Excuse me. Haven't you seen by any chance a filthy thief around here?
He stole my sister's birthday gift. Over there, Inspector Woof.
Thanks, Doctor.
We were looking for you.
He got in that room.
Well done, Spike. Ready?
Stop thief!
Huh? Oh.
Sorry.
There you go, Doctor.
Doctor?
Is everything okay, Doctor?
What seems to be the problem?
But Joe! sorry, Doctor.
Sorry, Doctor.
It looks like I have a chill. Thanks, Doctor. Hi, Spike.
Muddles, have you seen a thief? There's the thief!
Stop, thief! Stop him! We got him.
Got you, thief! Huh? It must be one of them.
I'm a doctor. I'm a doctor too. I'm a
Phew!
There you are, thief.
We're not gonna make it!
What is in that gift?